It happens every year around April. You know that moment when you look in the mirror and you notice the layers of winter have left. You start to panic about your appearance, especially if you are working in a high demanding environment. Women often face immense pressure to maintain certain image. And feeling sluggish after winter is not just about the scale. It affects how you show up in meetings, how you lead your team, and how you hold your space. And suddenly, the high-level professional confidence takes a hit. Most of you start to spend more time to figure out their outfit. They start to feel more sensitive and their mood changes. If the first instinct is to jump into weight loss products or sign up for workout challenge, stop. Your overall well-being and your professional presence are too valuable to be traded for a crash diet or crazy workout that only leave you overwhelmed, exhausted, and irritable. In this episode, we are talking about why winter weight gain is a biological protection and how the wrong response to it is the fastest way to sabotage your confidence, your mood, your energy, your focus, and your performance. Welcome to Wellness All Seasons, the podcast for women who want to live well in every season of the year and in every season of life. I'm Mina Qandar. My friends, let's get started. April is exactly when the body summer marketing starts to peak and women find themselves bombarded by the quick fix products out there. But let's look at the signs. In winter, your body was protecting you. Your metabolism slows down to conserve energy during colder months. It's a survival mechanism. The problem starts when you try to punish your body. When you jump into restrictive diet or crazy workout, you trigger spike in cortisol, your stress hormone. And this is what causes the midsection belly fat. And more importantly, brain fog. You can't lead a team and make smart decisions when your brain is starving stable energy. Here is what most wellness advice misses. There is a connection between mood and hormones. Your hormones shape your emotional intelligence. High cortisol steals the building block of progesterone, leaving you irritable and anxious. Then there is insulin. If you are skipping meals to lose weight, insulin crashes. That afternoon energy crash. If your blood sugar is unstable, the part of your brain responsible for self-control goes off. This is why you feel more reactive, more sensitive. Think about the connection between hormones and mood. Now, how do we fix this without falling into the diet trap? I will give you 3 strategies. The first one, metabolic foundation. Focus on stabilization instead of deprivation. Ensure every meal has high quality protein and fiber. This keeps your brain fueled and your insulin steady. This is what remains you calm and focus. The second strategy, circadian movement. Instead of thinking about an hour at the gym after work, Think about daily 10 minutes of morning light and 20-minute walk. Think about the movement that will restore you rather than deplete you. The third strategy is your evening rituals. Many ambitious women carry work or business stress into night, and here I invite you to choose something that helps you calm down, slow down, and get rid of your workday stress. It can be deep breathing, having a bath, stretching, reading. Do something to help you slow down and have a moment before going to bed, because it will prepare you for a good sleep, to rest, to repair, and to be ready for another day. My friends, remember, a healthy lifestyle is the foundation of lasting wellness and successful professional life. You need to nourish your body and your mind to support your leadership and your vision. My friends, if you need any help with these 3 strategies, DM me on Instagram and I will send you a checklist to help you enjoy this season without overwhelm. I wanted to hear from you in the comment. What is your biggest challenge right now? Is it afternoon energy crash, brain fog, or irritability? Drop it in the comment and let's support each other. My friends, if you find value in this episode, like it, subscribe for more wellness strategies, and share it. And let's strive together. Take care. I will see you in the next episode.